Now this is going live, and this is the Defender D250 in Fuji White with only 7,000 miles on a 72 registration, cracking car, Defender 110. The D250 is a 3-litre diesel engine producing 250 brake horsepower. Now this is a stunning car, and with a live pricing you'll see it's the best value in the country, in the best condition with some great extras. Starting off with the black styling pack, and that's a designation lettering going on the front grille, sections on the bonnet, and they've also got the 110 decal on the bonnet, which really does break the bonnet up and it looks really good. But then this being the SE, which is a good specification, you have the upgraded headlights, which is the glass piece daytime running lights and the adaptive LED headlights. The new generation Defenders do come with a 360 camera system as standard, so that's your front camera, your side cameras and rear camera. You also get front and rear parking sensors and front fog lights. Now this one has the upgraded 5-star 5-spoke wheels, which is finished in black, and they are 20-inch in size. You've got other extras like front and rear mud flaps, the fixed side steps, some protection glass, comfort access, and that's them little squares on the door handles. So as long as the keys are in your pocket, you can walk up to the car, it will unlock, and as you walk away, you press that button there, it locks for you, and the wing mirrors fold in. This being the SE, you've also got the upgraded interior. The first thing you'll notice is the ambient lighting in the door pockets, the door handles, on the centre dash and the floating dash. But you've got full leather interior, you've got electric seats, you've also got memory seats both for driver and passenger. But for me, it's the little extras that make all the big difference, such as the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. And that's a big piece of glass. Touchscreen media, dual zone climate control, heated seats, but it's this as well. Now this car's got air suspension. A lot of the new Defenders don't come with air suspension unless you specified or added it and configured it with it as the air suspension pack. Now this one's got it. USC, grab handles. The condition with 7,000 miles on is absolutely brilliant. You've got twin cup holders there, centre armrest with more cubbyhole space. There's cubbyhole space everywhere. The door bins are absolutely huge. And just everything feels good quality, but remember this is a Defender. It's very rugged, it's hard, it's just, they last forever, but it's a fabulous car on the road and absolutely amazing off the road. Let me just get in to show you what sort of space you get in the Defender 110. And what I like about these cars is because they are elevated with lots of ground clearance, that tunnel that you normally get in a conventional vehicle, you haven't got that. So every single passenger, if you're on the corners or even if you're in the middle, you're still very, very comfortable. The grab handles are there, lots of leather everywhere you look, USCs. This centre section comes down with cup holders as well. You've then got 3-point seat belts, Isofix attachments. So also what you get is if you lift the base, I'll just lift that side to show you. So there's a handle there, you lift it, the headrest goes down, or you can come out all together. And then, if you look from the back now, let me show you what I mean. Because the 110 has a big boot anyway. But by doing what I've done, I know customers who have bought this, who want to go around the world or Europe or whatever it is, or even to the lakes. When you make that completely flat, it's like a double bed. It's absolutely phenomenal because it is that good. It's massive. Hard back as well, easy to maintain. Spare wheel cover, LED rear lighting system. It's just stunning in the Fuji White with the mud flaps, the side steps. It's got a great look to it. As for the driver's cockpit, you've got push button start, lane assist, cruise control, limiter, digital section in the middle just there, your 360 camera system, there's your heated seats, front and rear heated windscreen, and it's just so easy to use. But the first thing you realise when you're in a Defender like this is how high you are, because this position is unbelievable. It's the best in the 4x4 class. But the drive's superb, a nice quiet engine and a cracking specification. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.